Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be showing you where we get our water from. So here's our water butt here. As you can see, it's not very big. I think it might be about 40 litres, but I'll show you inside quickly. So we haven't got a lot of water in there at the moment, and we're probably going to be filling up tonight at some point, so we have more water. But that's where we get our water from, and I'll show you where we're building our new greenhouse, and we're going to be adding a drainage pipe, and I will show you that now. So this is on the left hand side of our in the making of building, whatever you want to call, greenhouse, and we think the water's gonna run this way. So right there, we're gonna have, all along that wall, we are going to have a drainage pipe, and at either end we are probably gonna have a new water butt. We don't really know when we're gonna add these yet, but it will probably be when we've got the greenhouse up and a few plants that need watering, or sometime. But I'll show you from down at another angle what I'm showing you. So as you can see, our greenhouse is our new greenhouse that we're midway through building is there, and all along this wall we're probably going to take out what you can see is climbers, and I built some of these on a previous video. I'll get the link in the description for that one if you want to go check that out. But so along here we're going to have a drainage pipe, and the plan is that we can have more water than just one water butt. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Today was quite a quick one, but quite efficient at the same time. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Slam that notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when I upload another video. But that's it for this day's Grow Your Imagination upload. Keep safe for everyone. Bye, guys.